What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna make this short and sweet, and for some of you it's gonna have absolutely no bearing, as probably most of my videos do, but I like to do personal videos. I like to do stuff that reflects on me and my opinion and what I find cool, and that's how I'm just going to structure this channel. So if you are down for some stuff like that, sit tight. We're doing a little quick one here. I just want to show you some stuff, and I'm so excited. I can't even like explain how excited. I mean, you're probably looking at this right now and you're like, what in the hell is this? These are aerosol cans. What? You're like, wait a minute, we're talking about window cleaners? No. We're not window cleaning. This is a quick detail. Is your mind blown? This is very strange, right? A quick detailer. So what? Detail spray, quick detailer? You're used to the typical type of like detail spray. Quick detailer, waterless wash, anything of that nature. But this, let me tell you, I've been doing the whole prosumer detailing, amateur detailing on the side. I just haven't filmed detailing as much as I should have, and you know what? We're getting into it. We're gonna start doing this a little bit more. I'm gonna add it in. It's like a little easing it in there a little bit. You know what I mean? Like when you're on prom night and you're like, oh, wrong hole, ease it in. This is what we're doing here, okay? Follow along. So a long time ago, there used to be this brand, Detailers Pro Series. This is the way it was labeled, and I guess it was part of or owned by or created by Auto Geek, along with like Blackfire and I think one other brand that they created. You know, basically get rich quick type thing, and they were just praying the fact that we just had money to blow and we were blowing it away, right? So Detailers Pro eventually, I guess, left, and again, I've been out of the scene for a hot minute and I'm just starting to get back in, but I just now noticed that they came back, I guess recently, maybe sort of recently, last year or this year or something, right? Don't quote me on the specifics here, but I guess they came back. They're relabeled. They got a nice dark logo. They got rid of the yellow. The cans are all different. The products are redone and remastered and rebranded and relabeled probably. But anyway, this product was one of the old school ones, okay? And I can't even tell you how much I really loved it. It's an aerosol can, a foam spraying, very nice smelling. It says quick detailer, but I really feel like there's wax in there. It probably says it somewhere, I just don't read it. So what this can says, it's a quick detail touch-up, and you spray and wipe. Awesome. Showroom quality shine. You know how they get you with those words. Rinse free. Woo! Removes light, dust, and fingerprints. Removes them like they never existed. And it does all of that stuff. But I don't know what the hell it was about this that got me triggered. This has to be my 6th total can. So I had bought one, loved it, bought 2 more, was absolutely obsessed. And then I'm like, you know what, 2 it wasn't enough, bought 3. And then somehow I just started amassing the most ridiculous collection of stuff that you would ever imagine for no possible reason other than I'm a car detailing supply hoarder. Then you got this. It just sat. So there's 2.5 cans. Then for some reason, I was just digging through and it was just chilling in the back. And I'm like, oh, damn, I remembered it. I loved that. So I brought it back out and I've been using it on the hoe, the trusty hoe. So I want to start using it again. I want to start using it, but then I'm like, oh no, I'm going to lose everything I have. I checked online. I can't find it anywhere. It's out of stock. They don't make it anymore. The new relabeled stuff, it's not there anymore. So I started freaking out and I started purchasing lately, as of like the last few months, secretly, like a little miser hiding on Amazon, on eBay, on Ali freaking Express, Alibaba, all over the place, looking for a aerosol-based quick detailer, aerosol-based waterless wash, aerosol-based wash and wax product. And I've only ever found one, okay? I found this one. And I got all excited when I saw this. So I bought 2 cans, because I'm like, damn, Armor All, they've been, you know, around for a long time. Maybe they were smart. And it didn't do it. It didn't do it. And then just today, something came in the mail. And I'll be damned, I gotta show you guys. I gotta teach you a little something here, okay? I'm gonna show you what this looks like on here. And we're not going for clean. We're not going for purdy. We're not going for anything. We're going for, I'm just gonna show you how it comes out. I'm gonna describe to you what my nostrils are experiencing. The sweet aroma of beautifulness that came out of this can. And then I'm gonna show you how this isn't it. I just don't like this. I don't know. This is never gonna go on my hawk. I probably wouldn't even use it on the hoe. And then I'm gonna show you this, and I'm gonna lose my mind. I've already lost my mind, but I'm gonna keep losing it. Whatever was left, I'm gonna lose the rest of it. I can't put things on my car. Oh, this cap's flying all over the... Damn it, not the waterless wash can. All right, so we're gonna keep that one can there. So this is the OG. Now this can is old as hell. There's rust forming. You give it a little shake, it starts to look amazing. Now look, you give this a nice spray. Oh, let me tell you. Oh my goodness, I don't know what goes on. I really don't know what goes on here. It's just ridiculous. Now watch. Now again, my truck's not really dirty, but as it goes a little bit, it's like slick and beautiful. It's awesome. I can't even describe it. It wipes up nice, okay? It leaves just the tiniest little bit here that you flip your towel, you go through, and it's gone. And it starts to feel immediately more slick. It's like some kind of voodoo in this can. What is the voodoo that it do? Because I don't understand. And the smell lingers. It's because that aerosol just shoots all over the place like a rocket ship, and I love it. I can't stop dealing with it. So I was obsessed with it. Now look at this. This depressed me. It's not the same type of sprayer. You know, I'm looking at 1980s, 1990s graffiti cans, okay? That's what I want, not this junk. So we're going to give this a quick shake. Now watch. This ain't it. Wait. You know, like, anybody can sit there. Let me give it more shake. Anybody can sit there, you know, when you're watching, like, a pressure washer video and they're like, shh, yeah, look at all my foam. Yeah, you held it there for 37.5 minutes. Of course you got a lot of foam. Now I just bukkakied all over my damn car. All right, so I give this a wipe, and I guess if you use enough of this, it will do what it does. You could spray water on a car and eventually it'll get clean. Just water. It buffs off, and it is decent. The smell's not bad, but it is not the smell. And this says that you can use this with no hose, no bucket, and effectively cleans and blah, blah, blah. I wouldn't ever, let's be real, okay? Let's not call this some miracle drug like we're curing cancer here, okay? I wouldn't use this on a very soiled vehicle. This would be in between washes. This would be a type of product where I had the car cleaned the night before and I wanted to just go to the car show. Like an Ammo Frothy, you know how Ammo Frothy, which I just ordered more today of his like revamped formula or whatever. You spray it on, it's very foamy and you feel good about it. Because, you know when you clean the car and there's like suds all over the place? I don't care about this car right now. When you clean the car and you know how you got like suds and there's like foam everywhere and you're like, holy smokes, that's like a really, really, really good product. Yeah, it's like a mental thing. Check it out. What's that? Same freaking sprayer. As soon as I saw that, I got freaked out. I was like, uh-oh, we might have had it. It says no water required. Okay? 2 to 3 vehicles in each can. Waterless wash and wax. No water. More water beading. Streak free. I love it. Safe for all exterior surfaces. So I took this bad boy and I'm telling you, it's even more foamy. Hello? I'm getting closer to the camera to tell you this. It's even more foamy. It's the same, god damn it, it's the same smell. I swear to God, it's the same product. Oh my God, I can't right now. And I wipe it, and I guess because, you know, my cans are old, but let me tell you, you go through, it buffs off the exact same way, smells incredible, and it's slick. It's so slick. It's so good. I found it, guys. I freaking found it. I can't even believe it. Well, you know, the truck hasn't been cleaned in a hot minute, but whatever. Here we go. That's nice. Scratched the shit out of this thing. I found it. Now, I don't care if you are into this or you're not into this. I'm just posting what I want to post, and that's fine. You can be into it. You cannot be into it. That's cool. That's what YouTube's about. That's what freedom of speech is about. But I'm telling you right now, this shit is ridiculous, and I love it. I'm hoping this doesn't go away. Otherwise, I'm personally reaching out to 3M, and I'm gonna turn into freaking woke cancel culture on steroids, and I'm gonna lose my mind and tell them that they need to bring this back. This is like one of those products, you don't use it every day. To me, it's gonna be like, all right, I'm having a day, and I just want to enjoy the spray of it. I don't use any of these products really every single day. Maybe Ultima Waterless Wash. In case you follow my other videos, you'll know about that hype. But This is not like an every single day thing. So we all have that boutique type product. Give it a shot. If you got a couple extra bucks, give it a shot. You want to give this a shot. This is a no bias thing by me. Give it a shot. Order it and let me know down below what you think. I think it's pretty freaking cool, and it's up to you guys, whatever you want to check out. But anyway, that's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it. And 3M, don't let me down, homies. Don't let me down. This needs to stay in the arsenal. This looks like it could be a new type of can. It's very nice. It's very nice. I'm very excited, guys. If you can't tell from the hypeness, I'm like super hype. Like, I didn't even drink coffee today, but I'm hype right now because I found it. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. I'll see you guys on the next one. Now watch this, okay? And I know some people are immediately going to look at this and say, oh, Ammo Frothy. Not. Almost, but not quite. Ammo Frothy's got, you know, a lot more technology behind it. This is just a bare bones. Look at this. It stays there. It stays a little frothy, and it's like, oh, it's beautiful. The smell is nice. Now watch. I just go over this. It's seriously, when I tell you what I love about the froth and the foam is that it encapsulates stuff. I come in, I buff off, it disappears. It leaves no streaking ever. There's no drag on the paint. There's no anything ever. We're gonna shake this up, okay? Now watch. Foam, like slate, right? Nothing is thick. It doesn't smell as good. Doesn't smell as good. When I go to wipe it, it's got more drag. It's leaving a lot more liquid. It's not flashing off. I told you guys a million times. It's not flashing off. You gotta go back. Even second pass. On the other one, it was already gone. Multiple passes. Look, it's just flashing off now. See those swirl marks? Daily driver. In a pinch. Slightly comparable product, which is the only reason I bought it, to be honest with you. I need this product back. The smell, it's in my garage. It's in my garage, and I don't want these to be my last 3 cans. I want to have like 10 or 15 of them on my shelf. I just want to have them saved so that I could keep using this product until I'm dead.